To everyone who swings a hammer, carries a wrench, wields a trowel, or pulls a wire, thank you. You make our homes more beautiful, our communities stronger. You help our businesses grow. In all reality, you keep our economy going. The rest of us need to do more than just thank you, appreciate you, and celebrate you. We need to help you and support you. Because without you, well, without you, we'd all be screwed. TraLaMa, the trade labor marketplace, where businesses find skilled trade labor and where skilled trade laborers find work.